How to make money with AI. The fastest way in 2025. In 2025, artificial intelligence is no longer just a tech buzzword. It's now a real source of income for anyone with a laptop, or even just a phone. In this video, I'll show you the fastest and easiest way to make money using AI, even if you have zero experience or technical background. What is AI? Simply explained. AI, artificial intelligence, is a technology that allows tools to think and perform tasks like writing articles, designing images, creating videos, coding, analyzing data. And the best part? There are free tools that can do all of that for you. The fastest way to make money with AI in 2025. Offer freelance services using AI tools. Instead of learning a skill from scratch, you can use AI tools to deliver services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, People per Hour. Tools you'll need. For writing, Katab AI or Writesonic, articles, product descriptions, marketing content. For design, Canva AI or Leonardo AI, logos, social posts, presentations. For voice, 11 Labs, convert text to natural human voice. For video, Pictory or Runway ML, turn text into full video. For planning/ideas, ChatGPT, scripts, planning, content generation. Step by step, how to make money using AI. Pick a simple service, like blog writing, logo design, voiceover, etc. Use an AI tool to complete it in minutes. List the service on freelance websites. Promote it on TikTok or Instagram Reels. Collect reviews and scale it up. Real example. I created a blog article using Katab in under 10 minutes. Listed it on Fiverr for $15. Delivered the article with just AI. Earned $15 in less than an hour. Repeat that daily equals $300 to $500 per month with minimal effort. Pushpin tips to boost your income. Master one tool deeply and offer a specific, niche service. Show portfolio examples. Follow trends, like AI-based content services. Build a personal brand, even if it's basic. White heavy checkmark conclusion. AI isn't a threat. It's a golden opportunity for those who know how to use it. You don't need capital. You don't need degrees. You just need to start. Bell subscribe. Thumbs up like the video. Outbox tray and share it with someone who's sleeping on AI in 2025.